My name is Melissa Meeks. I am the legal nurse consultant for Impact Law. Zach and I were high school sweethearts. We met when we were 15 years old, and even though we didn't date through college and after college, we always stayed friends and reconnected in our late 20s and got married. I have two beautiful daughters. They are 8 and 5. They like to sing and dance and act and perform. And so I spend my time away from work going to dance lessons and acting lessons. My kids got a paddleboard for Christmas, and we're excited to take that out on the lake this summer. And when we go on family vacations, we always have a puzzle out. My family, we do puzzles. My mom lives down the road from me. She always has a puzzle going. So being a legal nurse consultant is in a lot of ways like doing a puzzle. You're putting together all of the pieces of what happened to the client. You're identifying missing medical records. You're finding injuries that may not have been obvious to the legal team initially, and you're putting together a cohesive and complete story of the client's injury. I feel like a detective when I'm looking through these medical records and I'm searching through everything, and I find, the piece that puts it all together and what the injury really was. And I'm able to explain to the attorneys the impact that the injury had on the person's daily life. And that's what brings me joy from this job, is being able to translate the medical jargon in a way that the attorneys and the legal team, and even if it needs to be a jury, can understand. That has happened several times where the legal team is taking the case in a certain direction, and then I look through the medical records and say, actually, I think the bigger injury was something else. And so the legal team is able to pivot. It definitely can change the direction of the case and ultimately result in a different outcome for our client.